Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my all YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So, how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today, I want to share very beautiful videos, very charming, and welcome to our YouTube channel's Decortalk. Decortalk's ideas are also trending and most attractive and elegant videos in elegant designs are most beautiful, easiest ways to decoration designs are more different types of landscaping designs. Landscaping designs are backward landscaping. You look be very prettiest and just looking at fantastic videos. And in demanding videos, always be shared with newest videos one by one. I thought its newest videos are show you in my channels and more different types of videos of greenery and different amazing beautiful things, beautiful way, and you looking very attractive, you looking very beautiful and charming looks. So in attractive and decent and most elegant videos I really share with you, and different amazing ideas, different amazing beautiful videos are shared with, and newly videos and different types of landscaping videos are also shared with newly videos, and some greenery are you looking very most demanding and most beautiful things, and front side of house and back sides like houses under the different types of places are way for walking and anything for you. And different amazing and beautiful things, beautiful videos are you liking these stunning videos, stunning designs in different types of ideas and different amazing and beautiful things in a beautiful video. They are looking very beautiful and charming designs I really share with you, and different demanding videos also I really share with newest videos in a newest designs. You're looking very beautiful and charming designs, and different types of ideas are more demanding and beautiful things. You're looking very beautiful and charming designs. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification. Always be sharing most demanding videos and a demanding designs. You're looking very attractive and stunning designs and different amazing, different beautiful and charming ideas, and different types of videos are also sharing